from this theory, write true or false from the theory lesson from these angles. Okay, then give examples for some acute angles. Any acute angle, 45 degree, 55 degree, the less than any angle you can write. Some obtuse angles which are greater than 90 and less than any angle you can write, say 125 or 100 degree or 110 degree or 140 degree. These are obtuse angles. Okay, you can write any angles. So measure the angles given below using the protractor and write down the measure. So take a new protractor. It should have correct measurement scales of degrees. So keep the protractor like this. Correctly keep the point in the middle of the protractor. This is the center of the protractor. So start counting from this 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. See this line? It is measuring 45 degree. So like this you have to measure each angle and write. So this measures 45 degree. So like the same wise you have to keep the protractor on the point of the angle and measure. So the angle is 10, 20, 30 up to 90. After 90 also 100, 110 and 120. So this is 120 degree. This is how to write 45 degree like this. So these also we need to measure using protractor and write the degree. See, it measures exactly quarter, means 90 degree. It shows correctly 90 degree. So write size 90 degree. You also measure in your book and write this. So remaining these two also. So like this you have to keep the protractor. How much it measures? You can see it measures 60 degree. Okay. So we have to write 60 degree like this. Dot shows degree of the angle. So this is also 90 degree. So like this 90 degree. It is our right angle. Here you can see from the question number 5, which angle has a large measure? First measure or estimate and then measure. See angle, measure the angle A and measure angle the B. See, you only keep the protractor, measure them actually and write which one is smaller and bigger. Okay. From these two angles, which has larger measure in these two, estimate and then confer by measuring them. So you have to confer by measuring them. Fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse and right angles. An acute whose measure is less than that of a right angle is acute angle. Okay. An acute whose measure is less than that of a right angle is acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than that of a right angle is obtuse. OBTUSE. Obtuse angle is greater than that of a right angle, greater than 90 degree. An acute angle showing whose measure is the sum of the measures of two right angles is a straight angle. Sum of two right angles is, so this is one right angle and this is one right angle. Totally one straight angle. Answer is one straight angle. When the sum of a measure of two angles is that of right angles, then each of them is acute angle. See, sum of measures of two angles is of right angle. Then each angle measures an acute. ACUTE. And the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be obtuse. See, example, what they are trying to tell is one is acute from a straight angle, the another must be an obtuse. Suppose this is an acute, then the remaining, see here, if it is an acute and the remaining angle is, it must be an obtuse angle. OBTUSE. So write all these in your geometry book. Find the measure of these shown and estimate with the eyes. Estimate. Actual measure with the protractor. First estimate, then actually measure. Then verify your answer. Whether you are measuring by eye is correct or by protractor. Approximately you can say this is 45 or 60. Let me measure. So this is 70 degree. So like this you have to first measure of an angle by estimating with the eyes, then find by actual measure of a protractor. Find the angle measure between the hands of the clock in each figure. So what is this? 9 o'clock is 1/4 of the revolution is 90 degree. Then it is an acute angle. It may be 10 degree. So this also we had to measure like this. Keeping the protractor like this and measure. Here also keep the protractor and measure. So it measures exactly 90 degree. Here it shows 20 degree. Okay, 30 degree. It shows 30 degree. Here it is exactly a straight line. Then it shows 180 degree or a straight line. So like this you have to write all these drawing and write the answers. So 1 o'clock shows 30 degree, 6 o'clock shows 180 degree, and 9 o'clock shows 9. It is 90 degree. Thank you. Have a nice times.